Xgimi Horizon 20. Max Projector, now available to pre-order. Xgimi is currently accepting pre-orders for its new Horizon 20 Max home theater projector. This model is said to offer up to 5,700 lumens brightness with wide coverage of the BT 2020 color gamut. Plus, it has Google TV, tools like optical zoom and automatic focus, and a range of gaming features. The Xgimi Horizon 20 Max Projector is now available to pre-order in the US and Europe. It was unveiled at IFA 2025 alongside the Horizon 20, Horizon 20 Pro and Titan projectors. You can now pre-order the Xgimi Horizon 20 Max in the US for the discounted price of $2,399, $600 of the $2,919 RRP. These customers will benefit from priority shipping and will also receive free gifts of a floor stand and Assassin's Creed Shadows. Similarly, customers can secure these gifts and priority shipping in Europe when they place a $30 deposit. However, there does not appear to be a discount on the $2,999 RRP. Xgimi's Horizon 20 Max Projector is a 4K UHD Google TV projector designed for the home theater. The RGB triple laser light source delivers up to 5,700 lumens brightness, and there is support for Dolby Vision and IMAX Enhanced. This model is listed with 20,000.1 typical and 1,000.1 dynamic contrast ratios, as well as 110% coverage of the BT 2020 color gamut. With a 1.25:1.5.1 throw ratio, it produces images up to 300 inches wide. The picture can be perfected with tools like lens shift, optical zoom, automatic keystone correction, and automatic focus. A few gaming specifications are also listed, such as VRR, ALLM, virtual crosshair, and black equalizer. It is said to offer 1 linears IP NUT lag at 1080p U240Hz or 3 ms lag at 4Ka E60Hz, and there are a range of ports like HDMI, EARC, HDMI, USB 3.0, and USB 2.0. Orders of the Xgimi Horizon 20 Max Projector, as well as the Horizon 20 and Horizon 20 Pro, will begin shipping on October 15th. On this date, the model will also go on general sale.